Hey guys, I'm showing you this Hopac 3-tier desk organizer. This is an office accessory with a multifunctional mesh desk organizer with 3 drawer, 2 pen holder for home, office or school or anywhere you want to use it. So you can see there's a manual that comes like what is exactly in the box that comes, and there are different packages. So we have to assemble this desk organizer before we can use it. So there are different mesh in the metal one, and you can see the quality is really good. And then these are the tray. The packing is really nice, like each thing is individually packed. And these are the the small trays that comes, and then the pen holders for the corner. Everything is all mesh and coated, so looks like weatherproof thing. And this one can carry a lot of stuff, and the things and the trays. So let's start with this installation so that you can see that how you can install it. So everything is comes, you have to just get a screwdriver. So first you have to put in the lower base with the this thing. Just keep in mind the tray. So thus for the tray thing, this will come, and the screws on the corner. So there are two screws in the corner here. Then this is the base cap that you need to put so that it will not scratch your desk or anything. So it's a good space thing, modern desktop manager with the details is like not hurting hands and stuff. And same thing is you have to put in the top one and then put the screw so that you can have the shape. Then you can just put in the trays and the corners. So installation is also straightforward. Just you have to keep in mind this screws thing that you need to put on the four corners, like in the bottom and the top. And there you can do this one. So once this is all set, this will look like this, and I put the trays in it. And after the trays, you can see that this give you ample space to put things you want. So I will show you some of the things that can be put, and you can see, like, you can put all the papers here, you can put the files here, the pen holder, so you can put the pen and the pencils, scissor or the small thing here. Then you can put all the other small stuff here. So basically it's a very nice thing to organize your desk. A lot of things can come in it, including the charging cables and stuff as well. So you can have a really nice desk by using this, and the material is the metal with the mesh, so you can see it. And you can also have the organized stuff, easy to clean and easy to keep or maintain. So this is a metal and rubber. Hopefully you like this organizer.